Since we are going to learn the introduction to Python as well as some introduction to data science, it is better to download Anaconda distribution. Now, why we choose Anaconda distribution is because it is specifically made for data science and machine learning, and it already comes with pre-installed packages such as Python, which is the standard Python distribution. So you don't need to download the standard Python distribution from this website, which is python.org. So you don't need to download that. All you need to do is just download the Anaconda distribution, and it comes together with the Python distribution. Another thing that we need is the Jupyter Notebook, which is going to be the code editor to be used for programming Python later. And also, what comes pre-installed with Anaconda packages is including the popular machine learning libraries like Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, Keras, and PyTorch. So what you need to do is to head over to anaconda.com, which is this website, and download the Anaconda distribution from this link. And you can just click the download button here. Once you have installed Anaconda distribution, you can open Anaconda Navigator. Like for me, I've already installed Anaconda distribution, and I can just simply find it using Anaconda Navigator. So there you go, Anaconda Navigator. Okay, and it's going to load Anaconda Navigator. Now, as you can see from here, there are many applications that you can use from this Anaconda Navigator, but the one that we are interested with is the Jupyter Notebook. Now open the Jupyter Notebook, launch it. Now in here you will find many folders, as you would see in your computer folder, but for me, I would prefer to you need to select a proper folder for you to store all your Python programming projects. So for example, I'm just going to go to this document, and in here I might want to create a new folder. So you can click new folder here, click new folder, and there is this new folder has just been created seconds ago. Okay, as you can see, it has just been created seconds ago. But how to rename it? You just click this box here and click rename. We can name it Python project. So this is where all the Python code that you want to store. Okay, click this folder, and as you can see, the folder is empty. Now, in order to write a Python code, what you need to do is to create a new Python 3. Okay, as you can see, once you have created this new Python 3, you will see that inside this document, inside the Python projects that the folder that you have just created, it contains the untitled.ipynb. So .ipynb means it is a Jupyter Notebook extension. Now, as you can see, the file name is untitled.ipynb, and if you look at the name of the file, it is the same. And if you want to rename it, it's better to rename it. So you can say it is your first program and click rename. So it is reflected in here, but I don't want to put a space, so I just want to put first program, rename it, and there you go. So this is your Jupyter Notebook file. Okay, as you can see from here, when the file is open, okay, when the file is open like this, it shows that it is running. Okay, it is running, and it is indicated by a green icon here. Now what happens if you want to close and halt this program, this file, and you will see it's just saying, okay, you leave the page, and you will see that the icon, which was previously green in color, now has changed to gray or black in color. Now you might want to open this one back because we want to write our first program. Okay, as you reopen the file, you can see that this one turns green and it shows indicated here as running. Okay, so your first program for this Python introduction is for you to write a hello world message. So in order to do so, you need to use print function and just type in hello world in a double quote enclosure. Now how to run this? There are two ways you can run this. You can click the run button here, or you can just click shift enter, and as you can see, this is the output of this first program of Python, introduction to Python.